In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unframe in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful design tool, and understanding how to manage your frames effectively is key to creating clean, organized, and flexible designs. Frames are essential for structuring your work, acting as containers for UI elements, components, or even entire screens. They provide a clear boundary and context for your designs. However, there might be times when you want to remove the visual background of a frame, effectively making it transparent or unframing it. This is particularly useful when you're integrating elements into a larger design, making a section blend seamlessly with its surroundings, or simply cleaning up your visual hierarchy without deleting the content itself. To begin this process, the first thing you'll need to do is locate and select the specific frame you wish to modify. You can do this by clicking directly on the frame's border in your canvas. Alternatively, if your design is complex or you have many overlapping elements, you can easily find and select it within the Layers panel on the left side of your Figma interface. Once selected, you'll notice a distinct blue outline appearing around the frame, indicating that it's now active and ready for adjustments. With your desired frame now selected, turn your attention to the right-hand sidebar. This is your design panel, where most of your property adjustments are made. Scroll down slightly until you find the section labeled Fill. The Fill property is what controls the background color of your frame. By default, Figma frames often come with a solid white fill, or perhaps a color you've previously applied to give it a distinct background. This fill layer is what gives your frame its current visible background appearance. Our goal here is to remove this background, allowing whatever is behind the frame to show through, or simply to give the impression that the elements within the frame are floating freely without a containing box. It's important to understand that removing the fill doesn't delete the content inside the frame. It simply makes the frame's background transparent. This is a subtle but powerful distinction that offers a lot of flexibility in your design workflow, enabling you to layer and combine elements without rigid boundaries. Now that you've located the Fill section, you'll see the current fill color swatch, often accompanied by an opacity slider and other blending options. To the right of this fill entry, you'll find a small but crucial icon, a minus sign. This minus sign is your key to effectively unframing. Simply click on this minus sign. As soon as you do, you'll observe an immediate change on your canvas. The background color of your selected frame will instantly disappear, rendering it completely transparent. The elements and layers that were contained within the frame will remain exactly where they are, but they will now appear to be floating without their previous visible container. This action essentially removes that background fill layer, making your frame's background transparent. You've now successfully unframed it, allowing the content to exist without a solid backing. This technique is extremely useful for refining layouts, preparing assets for export with transparent backgrounds, or simply achieving a cleaner, less boxy aesthetic in your designs.